Welcome, this is Rob Froney, and I'm about to show you how to add some parts into Kicad's EESchema. So here we are, this is EESchema. I'm assuming you're familiar with EESchema. And then the icons, and listen to the previous video. So I'm going to add some parts here. I'm going to make an attenuator with two BNC connectors connecting it to the outside world. So I click on the add, or I type in the add icon tool on the right. I'm going to put, I would like a BNC connector, so I type BNC in here, and if you look at this, it's actually printed the wrong way. I would really like it mirrored about the y-axis, so the x-axis, y-axis, so I type a y, and that looks better. That's more what I want. I copy this guy, and I'm going to put him over here, and then I need to mirror him about the y-axis because he was okay for the right-hand side. I need to put two resistors in here, so I'm going to click here, type R for resistor. That looks like a good resistor. I'm going to rotate this guy by typing an R, connect him on there, and then I'm going to edit this resistor because actually it'd be a good idea to have a value and get a data sheet, a few things about the resistor before I put the other ones in. So let's type V for value. I don't know what the value needs to be, so let's go back to Kicad's project thing here and start this guy right here. It's already running. No, let's see, I can probably find it. Where is it? Yeah, there it is, right down here. Okay, I've already got it running. This is the PCB calculator. I'm going to use a T-network attenuator, and I'd like maybe 6 dB, 50 ohms looks good. I calculate that, and it gives me the values. Looks like about 16.6 ohms and 66.9. Well, I'm not going to find those values, but I can probably find a 16 ohm, that's the standard 5% value, and a 68 ohm are also 5% value. So let's go back to Kicad, and we'll type in 16 ohms. There's 16, not 15 there. And then let's type an E to edit this thing. No, I don't want to add another one. I need to type escape, so I can type an E to edit it. And then I'm going to put in a data sheet. Now I've already looked at DigiKey here and actually found some resistors that I liked. They were the right size and everything, and I've got the data sheet over here in my web browser. I'm just going to copy that data sheet right there, and I'm going to add that into the Kicad data sheet thing here. So I'll put that right there in the data sheet, and the footprint is an 0805 footprint. If you look at the data sheet that I just picked here, I want 0805 right here. This is the size of resistor I want. And that's because we have a bunch of them in the lab. And so I need to add a footprint here. So let's browse footprints. And here I would go to resistors SMD. I already went there, and here it is, R805. That's what I want. So I'm going to double click on this, and now I've got an SMD 0805 resistor there. So I'm going to say OK. And by the way, now I can right click here, and I can go down to open documentation, and it'll pop me over here and open this web page that has the data sheet in it. That's very nice. So let's get rid of that. Now let's copy this resistor because I've now got all that data in it, and I need another one over here, so I type the C. Looks like I need to move something over. So I'm going to move this jack over here, move this connector over. And now I need another resistor, copy that one, rotate it, move it down here. I'm going to put him right in there. And I'm going to change the value. What was it? 68. Value I can edit, type E and change this to 68. or I could have just typed V there. Now I need some ground symbols, so I'm going to click on the ground symbol, click on the powers there. That you can get power and ground there. You have to type GND here, and that'll give you the ground symbol. That's what I want right there. And I'm going to copy and paste another one over here. Just type C, and I just put him right in here. C again, and put one over here. And now I've got that done. Actually, probably let's delete this and let's undo that. Control Z undoes that. Really, what I want to do is I actually want to go in here and type and get the data sheet and whatever for this. I mean, I guess I could do that. So let's. But I also would like to get the footprint, and I already know the footprint for these BNC connectors is not what I want. Let's leave that right now. And I think this is probably pretty good for this video. It shows you a little bit about how to add things like documents and parts, as long as they're in the library and you like the footprint and everything. So let's save this, and I will stop this video and I will start another one that will show you how to actually make your own footprint here.